MLA Barim Kamau Senram Constituency uba Himalaya Muktan Syampliang haksni palai ulethu bagi jingyo jong u banlong kumunong ai boit katanat pule puti jong ke sorkar jela kadai kebala ai da menteri rangba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma padu sumbut menteri rangba uba perstun tensong om dei setia beratung nong ai boit ya u da ke jing ai jimut ne recommendation na ke BJP Abakran sekilar petai kubor ubah Hima ulethu bawat hadin ba ulai keren berubah Ernest Mauri baun Phah ke recommendation syak sorkar jela bahkan bensiat iki sanggut ki dekat ke BJP ya kino kikam banten ronglang ya ke jela here nakal yang presiden ke BJP ulah kentaj ya kene kijing ai jemut jong Ulai turu bah kajing sisa UMLA ke BJP ubah mi khmat ke motor kra ubah longru menteri ke sorkar ubah hek ulamut ban ai ke recommendation sia ke sorkar ban bensiat haki arngut kinong elam ke BJP kata ubah sampliang baru ubah khar kerang igino kikam Henry hadin ba uken jok tin si presiden ke parti markumta ubah Ernest Mauri ulah betha badai bantarno ya kene ke recommendation ba umut ban Phah sia ke sorkar Barulah dawa badai ban Phah da kerteng jong barulah ong bau hek uhaban kok ngu yak ke ba presiden ke parti Hukum.
He tore away that letter and rather recommended Mr. Mauri's name. How could you betray? This is treachery. This is betrayal. When I kept going requesting him to give recommendations for 5 of us to the chief minister for some post, he rather goes from the back door and asks Mr. Heck to tear away that kind of recommendations and rather wants his name to be recommended. Now it is up to Mauri and it's up to Heck to clarify that, because this is what Mr. Heck told me.
And all along back.
It is for the party president to judge his own workers, his fellow workers, whom he trusts. Conrad Sangma, sir, please make sure, remember one thing, I'm entering NPP without any conditions.
But within 2 years, 4 parties.
Reply to your question that time, I said, because I want to serve the people. So there are platforms which provides you avenues to serve the people. Yeah.
So,
I even saw that in the press media, which Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Singhabalang Dhar had mentioned. I have no comments on that because, like I had mentioned, I'm entering the party NPP without any condition. And I leave it to the judgment and the wisdom of the High Command of the NPP to utilize my services to the best of the ability. And I'm ready to serve the NPP with any responsibility given by them.
but have you expressed your